You'll want to get the vehicle higher to access the underneath. Then locate the hood opener under the steering wheel column. From the front of the vehicle, access the oil pan drain bolt. You'll want a means to catch the used oil. This is specifically designed to catch the oil and as a spot for the filter to drain. You'll need space to catch 5 liters of oil from this vehicle. This vehicle needs a 7/8 inch socket for the drain bolt. I'll have everything used in this video in the description. Inspect the gasket on this bolt for wear and tear. If required, change it. If you have a leak from this bolt, the gasket will need changing. Now it's time to remove the oil filter located at the front of the engine. This one was exceptionally tight. That's not good. An over-tightened filter can leak. This is due to its gasket getting twisted out of shape. If you're getting value out of this video, please like and subscribe. A little oil on the new gasket will prevent it snagging. Clear away any excess oil. It will help you identify fresh leaks. If you're working with a clean surface, if you leave it, you may think you have a leak where there is none. Replace the oil pan drain bolt, don't over-tighten. If you wish, the torque specs will be in your manual or online. Then install your new filter if you need one. I have it linked in the description. As always, snug up the filter but do not over-tighten. This 1.5 litre engine takes 5 litres of OW20 oil. Remove the oil cap. You'll want a funnel to avoid spilling oil. I don't add all the oil in one go. I add 95% then. I check with the dipstick to fine-tune the oil level. Once I have 95% in, I back it off the ramp to get the vehicle level. Then always wipe the dipstick each time to get a true oil level. Now let's reset the oil life monitor. Sorry, I forgot to film this when I reset it. Using the right side of the steering wheel controls, toggle over to the car symbol, press the check mark, then follow the prompts on the screen. Then finally, I always like to check the air filter at the same time. As the oil change, this one requires a Phillips driver. Remove the sensor clip, then the 4 screws. A visual inspection is all this requires. Hold it up to the light. Check for debris, change if required. Replace or change out the air filter, snug up the screws, and hook the sensor back up. If you got value from this, check out all my other content, and I would really appreciate a like and/or subscribe. Thanks for watching.